Hi mga ka-best! For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo ang no watermark KINEMASTER for free. Yes, wala kayong babayaran. Let's type AC Market and then enter. Okay. Yan, may makikita tayong AC Market sa unang-una, crack apps, games, modes of for Android. Ayan, then click natin siya. Ayan ang lalabas. And then, click download now. So, downloading na siya. Let's wait after mag-download. Ayan. Hanapin natin siya sa files. Ayan. And then, install. Install natin siya. After installing, ayan, punta tayo sa AC Market application. And let's type KINEMASTER. Ayan. So, it pronounced KINEMASTER because it's originated from Korea. And then, yan, lumabas na si KINEMASTER. And then, i-click natin yung 4.11.1. Ayan. And then, click naman natin yung nasa pinakababa na version and then download. Yan, downloading. And then, that's it. Ayan. Pag nag-download na siya is, i-install pa natin yung KINEMASTER. Ayan. So, allow natin. Okay, install. Okay. So, installed na siya. And then, open. Let's go to KINEMASTER application. And I'll give you an example kung mawawala ba yung watermark. Let's make new project. And then, I'll pick one picture para sa example. So, I will pick this. And then, export. Export ko siya. Ayan. Exported na. And then, let's play the video. So, yan. Wala na siyang watermark kasi dito siya nakikita yung made with KINEMASTER watermark. So, that's it. So, mga ka-best, say yes to no watermark for free. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe.